So my question is called how you can increase by YouTube subscriber and viewers. How to increase from using Facebook. In this Facebook, is the only option is called Facebook page. The option name is called coming to your Facebook page. Anything to design the name is called YouTube tab. The tab is not default. We have to create yourself. The tab name is called YouTube. So how you can create that tab and how to increase your views and your comment, share on your wall and share on your admin option. So this will be, we can watch the video by your Facebook also, increasing views and increasing your subscriber also. The tab name is YouTube. In this tab feature, how to adding for particular Facebook pages. If you come into any Facebook page, click for YouTube. The videos will be there by your particular page option is there. So how to this kind of feature adding for particular Facebook pages and how to increase your YouTube channel subscriber and views. I'm selecting for new page. I'm selecting new page. Any YouTube tab is there? No tab. Come into your things. Select your YouTube channel. Open it. First of all, careful to watch. So in this all will be there. Okay. First of all, go to your main Facebook page. Select, you can search for YouTube. Which one? Search for YouTube. In the same option, we can go to where? Apps. Which one? Apps. Here we can showing for all option will be showing for your particular things. So when you coming to this one, your YouTube will be showing for particular, all options are here. Post option, people, post, pages in your particular, any particular application. So in this, on using app is the showing for particular things. So you can copy that URL fbapp.us/YouTube will be here. This URL we can select by particular tab purpose. This is a compulsory URL will be you can copy. In a previous that option is there in our Facebook search. When searching any Facebook, when you come into your apps, the show option will be there by your YouTube will be used. And searching will be YouTube time. Is not find out. I'll give that URL fbapps.us/YouTube. So these are your URL. Please write down the URL. User tab and add up your page. Select it. The particular tab. Select your Facebook page. Which page are adding for your YouTube channel? Astrology news or Sai Shankar. Anything we can promote by your particular things. And add page tab. Initial will be started. Initial will be started. It's compulsory. You can go for that. You can go for where in my particular page along with the YouTube tab. It's clear. Here, what we can change? Simple. First of all, you can change. Add your channel ID. Where you can adding for channel ID. Here you can add your channel ID. Next, add your which video you can show to the customer. Adding for particular ID.
Best Indian astrologer in New York, US.
So save changes. Immediately they can show this one. Here and our videos. Where the tab name is called YouTube. Tab name is called YouTube. The increase for which one? Subscribers. Click here. They go direct for your YouTube channel. Here, what the option called is subscribe my channel. Is it clear? This feature will give by which one? Facebook option. Previous direct option is there when searching for YouTube. The option name is for apps. For that URL will be there. fbapp.us/YouTube. YouTube. In this application, we add by YouTube channel. And after adding YouTube channel, if you're selecting any tab option will be coming to front end. Simple, we can go for the option name is called, you can refresh. The tab will be there, your setting option where template and tabs in this YouTube. Just drag position. No need to save changes. Simple go back. Previous, what is my position? Last. Now I click for refresh. My position will be starting. Anytime you can change your position for particular tag. It's clear. This is very important and a particular option is for adding YouTube subscribers and viewers and using Facebook option. So whatever you can count in for the editing, the video will be watching for your things and we can share on your wall, increase the views and subscriber your particular channel. This is a benefit is nothing but to engage your any new videos, no need to share for YouTube. Automatically any video uploading by YouTube, automatically update by Facebook page, automatically shared by using Facebook YouTube tab option. Is clear? The compulsory very important this option we can add by where Facebook pages. This tab is eligible only for Facebook pages, not for the groups, not for the profiles.